everybody. This is your Vault Explorer right here. Doing another beautiful Washington day courier service run. It's not that bad. I actually have some protective gear on, so my pants and jacket may look soaked, but I've got underlying garments of protection. And sure, I could have taken my Land Cruiser, or maybe a bigger bike or something. But that's just not how I operate. I'm trying to get as much rucking in as I can. Maybe if it gets dark enough, I'll be able to do another nighttime headlight check. So I don't have too much to chatter on about today. So just sit back and enjoy the ride. Hope you're staying nice and warm. No roundabouts today. Mission accomplished. All right, let's get back to Ruckin. Okay. I think we missed our turn there. I had my own little personal roundabout. I don't mind riding in the rain, but it is coming down kind of good, so I think we're just gonna head straight back home. And the next video I do is going to be on why I just went to the post office. Whoa, look at that. Some deep water fording in the Ruckus. Took it like a champ. really hate riding with my visor down, so I've got my glasses on at least. I got some Oakleys on, clear Oakleys, to kind of deflect a little bit of the water, so do not adjust the volume if you hear a lot of raindrops. And don't listen if you have a weak bladder. Look at this. I am soaked. I really love how this scooter handles in the environment, any kind of environment, on the little dirt trails or on the street in the rain, whatever. But you got to watch out for, you know, especially around here, I've noticed these leaves and needles, pine needles that fall on the deck. You will lose traction in a heartbeat if you're going that fast. Luckily, I don't have that problem. Well, I am going to edit the heck out of this video and make it a short one, so I can keep people interested in the channel and the little Ruckin rides. We'll be doing some more videos too, not just about the Ruckus and not just about motorcycles. We promise to do other things. I am going to sneak in a roundabout. Alright, alright. So, as always, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time. If you wouldn't mind, give me a thumbs up. Maybe subscribe. Maybe talk to one of your friends into subscribing. Help a Vault Explorer out.